Breaking story coming in. It's a relief that is coming in for Sachin Pilot and Rebels. The Speaker has told to defer till 24th. Court has told the Speaker to not decide till the 24th. That's the latest coming in right there. Big breaking news coming in right there. Relief coming in for Sachin Pilot and 18 other Rebel MLAs. It's a big morale booster, of course, that is coming in for the Sachin Pilot camp. Of course, this also means that there is no immediate threat of Sachin Pilot losing his membership as well. And who knows, Sachin Pilot may even look to rope in more Congress MLAs because he's got time at the moment. The Gehlot government definitely faces a higher amount of uncertainty given the kind of verdict that has come out at the moment. That's the latest coming in. It's a relief definitely for Sachin Pilot and the other 18 Rebel MLAs in his camp. The Speaker told to defer till the 24th. The court has told the Speaker categorically not to decide till the 24th.
इन लोगों को विधायक जो है उनको 24 तारीख तक का वक्त मिल गया।
24 तारीख तक के स्पीकर कोई कार्रवाई नहीं करेंगे इस पर।
वैसे आपकी अर्जी स्वीकार हो गई?
अर्जी स्वीकार हो गई है और हमको पार्टी बना लिया कोर्ट ने। बहस सुन ली, हमारी रेस्पोंडेंट बना दिया हमारे।
स्पीकर को कोई निर्देश दिए कि इस पे आप कोई एक्शन नहीं लेंगे?
कहा है ना कि 24 तक कुछ नहीं करें, वो 24 तक कोई एडवर्स ऑर्डर नहीं करें।
Dev Ankur is joining us live for the very latest. Dev, this is a big story coming in. It's a relief coming in for Sachin Pilot and the Rebels, much to the disappointment of the Ashok Gehlot camp as well. This also means that there would be no immediate threat of Sachin Pilot losing his membership.
Well, what the court has done today, JP, is that the court has mentioned clearly that the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker cannot decide on this matter till July 24, which clearly means that the verdict will not be coming out today from the Rajasthan High Court. This may give temporary relief to Sachin Pilot's camp in terms of strategizing, in terms of deciding his next move and possibly deliberating upon what he should do.
Getting a reaction coming in from a lawyer, we'll cut straight across to it. Listen
को सुन लिया गया है और उसके बाद कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि स्पीकर के समक्ष जो आज कार्रवाई होनी है उसको रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि 24 तारीख तक के लिए स्थगित करें। अब 24 के बाद अध्यक्ष ने मान लिया इस बात को। देखिए, अभी ऑर्डर आ जाता है, लेकिन वो कोर्ट के द्वारा रिक्वेस्ट करी गई है तो ऑर्डर समक्ष सामने आ जाता है कि वेदर इट्स अ डायरेक्शन और रिक्वेस्ट, बट प्रिंसिपली कोर्ट ने रिक्वेस्ट करी है कि 24 तारीख को तक इसको आप सुनवाई को जो रिप्लाई है वो 24 तारीख के लिए डेफर करें। 24 तारीख को कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर्स के लिए रखा है। आज सिर्फ 3 जनों की अर्जी जो है उसको मंजूर करते हुए उनको रेस्पोंडेंट 5, 6, 7 बनाया है और अब जो कार्रवाई है वो 24 तारीख को ऑर्डर्स होंगे और उस पर कार्रवाई होगी।
24 तक विधानसभा अध्यक्ष कोई एक्शन नहीं ले सकते?
देखिए, यही निवेदन किया गया। ऑर्डर में जो वर्ड है, जितना हमें पता चला है, वो रिक्वेस्ट की गई है विधानसभा स्पीकर से कि वो जो आज की कार्रवाई है उसको 24 तारीख तक के लिए डेफर कर दें। जो रिप्लाई उन्हें पेश करना है वो 24 तारीख तक के लिए डेफर कर दें।
3 बार डेफर करवाया जा चुका है।
बिल्कुल 3 बार, क्योंकि कोर्ट के समक्ष मामला लंबित रहा है और कोई नहीं चाहेगा इस तरह का मतभेद हो कि पैरेलल कार्रवाई हो। इसीलिए पहले स्पीकर महोदय द्वारा जो समय के लिए रिक्वेस्ट के लिए माना गया था वो यही था, क्योंकि कोर्ट में मामला लंबित था और आज भी कोर्ट में क्योंकि सुनवाई पूरी हुई है, कोर्ट के द्वारा ऑर्डर नहीं दिया जा पा रहा है समय का अभाव होते हुए और ऑर्डर्स के लिए 24 तारीख को रखा है, तो तब तक के लिए स्पीकर से निवेदन किया गया।
कोर्ट की रिक्वेस्ट मानने के लिए स्पीकर बाध्य है क्या?
देखिए, कोर्ट के अंदर एक कमेटी होती है लेजिस्लेटिव और जुडिशरी के बीच में, वो अगर डायरेक्शन हो तो सर्टेनली बाध्य है, बट अगर रिक्वेस्ट भी है तो वो स्पीकर महोदय को देखना है। पर प्रिंसिपली क्योंकि मामला लंबित है तो उसके हिसाब से चॉइस वो रिक्वेस्ट वर्ड लिखा गया है जो कोर्ट ने लिखवाया है कि वी रिक्वेस्ट द स्पीकर की जो कार्रवाई है वो 24 तारीख तक के लिए डेफर की जाए।
तो 24 तारीख तक इस मामले में संभव तो यही कि अभी तक कुछ नहीं।
जी, 24 तारीख तक के लिए यही है कि आज की जो कार्रवाई है वो 24 तारीख तक के लिए डेफर हो और जो स्पीकर के समक्ष रिप्लाई आज पेश होने वो 24 को पेश हो। जी,
और दूसरी अन्य चीज इसमें कोई इन्वॉल्व
नहीं, और आज कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि आज सिर्फ सुनवाई पूरी हुई है। अभी कोई कोर्ट के द्वारा कोई ऑर्डर नहीं दिया गया, कोई फैसला नहीं सुनाया गया है। फैसले के लिए कोर्ट को समय चाहिए सुनाने के लिए, इसीलिए 24 तारीख बख्शाया गया है। फैसला ऑर्डर्स पे रखा है, वो कोर्ट पूरा ऑर्डर्स पे पूरा प्रोनाउंस करती है जजमेंट या कोई फर्दर ऑर्डर देती है, वो 24 तारीख को ही पता चलेगा।
शुक्रिया सर, बहुत बहुत।
बिल्कुल
That's the first up reaction that is coming in from outside the High Court right there. The lawyer giving out a reaction. Relief coming in for Sachin Pilot and the rebel MLAs as well. Speaker has been asked to defer till 24th. Court has told the Speaker not to decide till the 24th. Dev Ankur is with us. Dev, this is a slight bit of a relief coming in right there for Sachin Pilot. He's got a 3-day breather until the 24th, and all eyes are now going to be on the 24th to see what happens. Dev, are you with us?
Yes, Cheti, I can hear you. If you could repeat the question.
I'm saying it's a relief that is coming in for Sachin Pilot. 3-day breather clearly coming in for Sachin Pilot. So there's no immediate need for Sachin Pilot to worry. He's got 3 days.
Well, this time Sachin Pilot can use to re-strategize, to regroup, and to ensure that the next move can be deliberated upon. This may come across as some kind of relief for both sides, not just for the Pilot group, because remember, even Ashok Gehlot has been jittery. He has a wafer-thin majority in the Rajasthan Assembly, and he believes that that his flock needs to be kept together so as to ensure that there is no defection, there is no attempt at poaching, and he has clearly told his MLAs that they may have to stay at the 5-star resort for some more days. So some more time which both sides have got from the court side in the matter, because the court has clearly told the Speaker that there cannot be any decision from the Speaker, Dr. C.P. Joshi's side, till July 24th. That means that the next hearing in this matter, whenever that happens, the verdict is likely to come out on July 24th in this matter.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, and Dev, if you could just give us a little bit of a perspective on this. There is no immediate threat at this point for Sachin Pilot to lose his membership, and perhaps, 3 days is a little time, but you can never know in politics as well. In 3 days' time, things can change. He can take a step back, he can strategize, perhaps rope in more Congress MLAs as well.
Oh, well, clearly the Congress believes that at this point in time, there needs to be, a lot of regrouping that needs to happen. Both the Sachin Pilot and the Ashok Gehlot camps have been at loggerheads for a long time now. There have been acrimonious barbs, both sides hitting out at each other. Ashok Gehlot making those, extremely personal remarks against Sachin Pilot, which have not gone down too well with the party high command. Now, what the future beholds for the Congress party in Rajasthan is something which time can tell. But at this point in time, Ashok Gehlot wants to ensure that Sachin Pilot does not return to the Rajasthan Congress. And for that, he has conveyed to the party high command that Pilot had been indulging in anti-party activities, that he has been hobnobbing with the BJP.
At the moment, Dev, is that Ashok Gehlot will have to do what it takes to keep his flock together, because this is a setback that is coming in for Ashok Gehlot, given the fact that this is a win that is coming in, maybe a small one, but a slight bit of a relief that is coming in for 3 days at least for Sachin Pilot. And now keeping the flock together for Ashok Pilot will be the topmost priority, Dave.
Oh, well, clearly at this point in time, both sides which have been loggerheads for several days, the feeling is that, this animosity, these remarks with Gehlot calling Pilot Nikamma, Nakara, good for nothing, not having done anything in his tenure as the PCC chief, have not been, gone down too well, even with some of the core supporters of Ashok Gehlot, because Gehlot, remember, has this image of being a Gandhian, someone who has been soft-spoken, but this is out of character, or perhaps something which people in general, even his core constituents, had not seen so far. So with this kind of hitting out, there is this sense that Gehlot does not want to leave anything to chance, and he feels that if he gives an elbow room to Sachin Pilot, then Pilot can try to make his way back into the party mainstream, and that is something which Gehlot does not want. One more important thing, Cheti, is that at 3 p.m. today, a meeting at the Chief Minister's residence was supposed to get underway. We understand that meeting is about to start any moment now, and it would be an extremely crucial meeting, because in that meeting the future course of action can be decided upon, and also how to ensure that if a floor test is asked for then how to ensure
And
that...
speaking
few
about
more MLAs
the
decide to
meeting, Dave, we are getting
because at
breaking
this
news
point in
that
time
is
it
coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it. Stay on with us. The breaking news is about Rajasthan cabinet meeting all set to begin. Ashok Gehlot has reached his residence from Fairmont Hotel. The MLAs are also heading to the Chief Minister's residence is what we are picking up. This is exactly what Dave was talking about just a while from now, that this meeting was supposed to start at 3 p.m. Perhaps they were waiting for this court verdict to come out, and now the court verdict has come out, and now it has not gone in their favor. It's come as a bit of a setback. They are now about to begin this particular meeting, and a lot will be decided in this particular meeting of how to keep the flock together as well. It's a bit of a challenge that comes in at this point for Ashok Gehlot, given that Sachin Pilot has 3 more breathing days at the moment. Dave is still with us. Dave, the Rajasthan cabinet meeting is set to begin very shortly, and I'm sure Ashok Gehlot somewhere had factored for the verdict to not go his way.
Later, but that does not happen. If the verdict could have come out today, then Ashok Gehlot could have pressed for a short session of Rajasthan Assembly, and if that could have happened, then a floor test could have ensured that Gehlot proves his numbers and conveys the message that he has the numbers, and therefore there is nothing to worry about as far as his government is concerned. Also, at this point in time, what is apparent is that Ashok Gehlot wants to convey the message that Pilot is leading the breakaway faction. It is the one who is who has created dissidents amongst the party, and that is why Pilot needs to be kept at bay. And also those rebel MLAs who have been who have been camping in Delhi NCR, Pilot has taken them away. That is the message that he has conveyed to the party high command. And if a floor test is called for, a short Rajasthan Assembly session is called for, then Gehlot can try to have these some of these MLAs back in the party fold, so that there is a comfortable majority as far as Gehlot is concerned. Also, one more point is that Ashok Gehlot at this point in time feels that if a whip is issued by the Rajasthan Assembly, then some of the MLAs, if they do not follow the whip, then they can be disqualified by the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker, automatically reducing the numbers and thereby helping Ashok Gehlot in proving his majority on the floor of the House. Right now, you see the lawyer representing the Rajasthan Speaker has come out and he's speaking right now.
24 तारीख तक के लिए डेफर की जाए.
Right. The lawyer who's representing the Rajasthan Speaker, we're trying to get a reaction. Dave is trying to get a reaction from the lawyer. In fact, let's try and listen in if we get a reaction from him. We'll get that reaction in just about a bit, but we can see Dave standing by to get that particular reaction. But let's wait for Dave to get that reaction. But let's encapsulate all that transpired right there. The Rajasthan cabinet meeting is set to begin now. The order has come out from the Rajasthan High Court, and there's been no action against the rebel MLAs till the 24th. That is what the High Court has told the Speaker, and the next hearing is going to be on the 24th. So the verdict is still awaited at the moment. The Rajasthan High Court order has gone in favor of Sachin Pilot. It's a relief for the next 3 days to come for Sachin Pilot camp, but the setback that is coming in for the Ashok Gehlot camp. And now all eyes are going to be on 24th when the hearing will resume. And for now, the order clearly has gone against Gehlot's favor, and the Rajasthan cabinet meeting is about to begin.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.